Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Accessibility so you can stop voice feedback while typing. Click the Apple menu and choose System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS. Once the window appears, select Accessibility and look for spoken content or voice control sections. Make sure you're signed into an admin account because some toggles require permission. This first step puts you exactly where Mac OS exposes typing and speaking features, so you can change only the options that cause the spoken feedback. Next, locate spoken content or voice control and find the setting labeled Speak Typing Feedback or Typing Feedback. You want to toggle that off. Click the switch so it stops speaking characters, words, or autocorrections. While you're there, check keyboard and dictation settings for any active voice features, because dictation can also read back text. Once disabled, test by typing in notes to confirm silence. If you still hear speech, move on to the final verification steps. Finally, confirm the change. Open Notes or a browser and type to verify no voice feedback occurs. If the speech persists, restart your Mac. Sometimes settings need a reboot to apply. Make sure no third-party accessibility or screen reading apps are active, quit them and try again. If you find one app causing the speech, disable its voice options or uninstall it. One key troubleshooting tip: if speech returns after updates, recheck spoken content and dictation toggles, then restart to reapply your preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.